Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve that particular error, that is module not found error, no module name, androguard.core.bytecodes. So we have to resolve that particular error. Whenever I'm running that particular project and got that particular error, so we have to resolve that error. So you can see error in that particular file classifier.py and from androguard.core.bytecode.apk import apk, and we have to replace that particular line. Let's open the classifier.py file, and you can see in the fourth line we have to replace that particular line and just control V. We have to return that particular line from androguard.core.apk import apk. Okay, once it's done, then just save this file. And if you again run the code, then it will resolve the issue. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're searching project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. And we are working on projects on multiple domain like Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, and web development. So thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.